So, I guess hi, hello, and freaking welcome to this moto vlog. This is a Ducati. Where is my key? I think I put it in my pocket right here. I did. This is a Ducati, and as the title would show on this, video, the MT-09 has indeed been sold. Now, this is not my new bike, just to emphasize that. This is my father's bike, which I'm allowed to borrow for the time being. He's very kind in that way. So yeah, this is a Ducati Monster 796 ABS. I do believe it's a 2012 or a 2013 model. And wowee, this bike is fun. So much fun. But it's more of a cruiser than the MT-09 ever was. This I can just go on forever and not really ride it like I stole it. You could do that as well, but it prefers to be ridden like you love it. So I've sold the MT-09, sold it a few weeks back now. It all went really fast because I had this ad online, right, which expired 30 days after, or 30 days after I posted it, I guess. And on the 28th day or something like that, a guy messaged me and said, "Hey, I want to come look at it. Can I come look at it?" And I was like, "Yeah, sure, you can come look at it." And then I was working a lot at that time, and I came home after a 6 days of 12 hours or something like that, and then he was like, "I want it. Can I bring it home?" So I was like, "Yeah, sure, you can bring it home. That's fine." It all went a little bit too fast. I was gonna make some videos on the 09, some more videos, but didn't really get to do that, I guess. But it also kind of fitted because I've been struggling a lot with my right hand, as if you're on Instagram you'll know this, because I've shared it there. But yeah, the thing is that my right hand is arm, basically, not just the hand but the entire arm is just not cooperating at the moment. It's not tinnitus, senebetennelse in Norwegian. I'll put it on the screen. It's not that, it's just muscle. It's basically I've used my right arm too much, and my muscles are going like, "Hey, stop, please, no." It does hurt a little bit when I'm ride a motorcycle, but I'm supposed to come on, you can go. I'm supposed to not test the limits, but try to live normally and get as close to the limit of pain rather than not do anything at all. So right now I'm actually headed to school, but I'm taking a little bit of a detour, just so that I can, rant a little bit along the way. It's just right now, when now that I haven't really used my right arm for anything the last couple of days, I really like my right arm, I guess, because I didn't realize how much I actually use it, and for just everyday stuff, it's so useful to have two arms. So I've switched up my computer setup as well, so regular people, you guys have your mice on the right hand, I guess, and then the keyboard on the left. You can type with both, of course, but right now I've actually been... Did you just hit a car? That's interesting. Right now I'm actually I'm using my left hand on the PC mouse, and I'm not really typing with it either. Well, I mean, I am, but way less than I used to. So I've been struggling with that, so kind of selling the bike was good in a way, I guess. because it meant that I could take a break from riding. I mean, this is the second day in 2 weeks where the sun is out. It's been raining a lot, so wouldn't really be riding that much either way. Yeah. So, but I have some news, but I'm not ready to share it all, because in theory, on paper, I've already bought a new bike, and it's not like the I haven't actually given the guy that wants the money, but I've written a contract, so it's basically mine. But I'll have to see about, you know, shipping, logistics, and stuff like that. Don't do it side of the vehicle. DanDanTheFireman has taught me well over the winter. That's another thing. Like this year, last year, we went crazy. We had so many crashes on in our group and stuff like that. And I'm willing to bet that this year will be better. It has to be. There is it can't, we have to be better this year. It's just facts, I guess. But I've watched a lot of like DanDanTheFireman, I think that's what it's called. His channel is great, because you watch all this like Motor Madness stuff and you go like, yeah, Motor Madness, that car is going all nuts, and I'm going to, you know, do something to that. Don't. So instead of being aggressive, he's like he's a fireman by trade, firefighter, I guess, and he has a lot of like medical knowledge and stuff like that, and it's just great to watch. I really enjoy it and appreciate everything he does for every single one of us. So check that out. I'll just leave a link in the description. It's very informative, and hopefully we can, you know, get some of that Motor Madness stuff, which I'm guilty of being in the Motor Madness. I want to say Motor Madness because I guess that's the biggest channel, but that kind of mindset, excuse the language, but the f you, I'm on the bike, I got the right of way. I'll probably bleep that out anyways. Hopefully you'll be able to see something in like a few seconds. Look at that, that's light. Sheesh. God, you gotta love those V motors, those V twins. Meep, meep. So I guess right now I'm just heading to a photo spot that I know about, and I'm gonna try to take some photos, maybe some B-roll of this bike for this video, and then I'll head to school because I got some stuff to do. This bike is not a city bike, let me tell you. It's kind of abrupt. The engine is shaking a lot, and my father actually, he gave it a bigger sprocket in the rear just to kind of make it easier on the on riding in the city and acceleration and stuff like that. Can I just go straight here? I think I can. That would be well, no. So, should we, do you want to see how to legally go through one of these zones right here? That's fun, always. I guess we could just cut the engine, sail on through. And then if we're gonna be extra legal, we do this. Get off the bike and push it. Technically legal. Most people probably don't like it, but mean, it's not like I could have just went left, straight, and then right, but this is way more fun. So my photo spot is right in here. Alright, we've taken some photos of the Ducati. Didn't film too much of it, but you know, looks good. And people, man, people all around, like, stops and looks. And somebody asked if I was gonna sell it, which, I mean, I guess is the logical reason as to why you would take photos of a bike if you're not a bike maniac like me. I'm going to school. I should really get something to eat as well. Maybe I'll pick something up along the way. Hey, Complete, are you guys here now? That's cool. So this is the, for those of you that don't know, this is like a prime photo spot. Any alley right here. And you can do a photo shoot. Wherever, whenever. This wall has to be one of the most used walls. You can't really do it now because they're doing some sort of construction, I think, but like, I've put my bike on this sidewalk so many times, and it looks good every time, dude. It looks good every freaking time. I'll put up some photos that I've taken here. Vismargata. It sounded Finnish for some reason. I'm not Finnish, well, I'm actually 16th Finnish or something like that. So this Ducati has only gone like 11,601 kilometers, which is amazing. And 5,000 of them is me. Oh, look at that, that's me. Hi, how are you? Oh, the Ducati, it just sounds so good. There's something special about the V-twin engine that it's like, I don't know how to explain it. There's something about it. That's one of the most fun things about this bike, is the little brap you can give if you pull in the clutch. Ah, it's so good. It's so freaking darn good now, isn't it? Yep. Side of the vehicle. See, I got you. I'm starting to... Dude, side of the vehicle, orange stage. It's kind of refreshing knowing that I would like to call it, like, I guess it's motorcycle training, mental motorcycle training. DanDanTheFireman, watch him and you'll know what I mean. Thank you, Dan, for training my mind to thinking better. Hello there, sir, Mr. Motorcycle. How you do? I don't know what I'm saying anymore. I think I'm closing in on my school right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and say, let this be... Yeah, right. That's interesting. I'm gonna go ahead and let this be the last few seconds of this very video, I guess. So, without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.